how I finally solve the problem of squaring of the circle. I draw any circle with center O. I keep the same distance of the compass that I point at any point of this circle, that I name C seconde, and I draw an internal arc of a circle OC'. With the same compass spacing and pointing at C', I cut the circle at K. I point the compass at K and draw an outer arc of a circle from C'. I point my compass in C', and with the same compass spacing, I cut the arc of a circle in C. I thus obtain the arc of a circle C'C. I point at K, and I draw the internal arc of a circle OE seconde. I point at E seconde, and I draw an arc of a circle that cuts the circle at E'. By pointing the compass at E', I draw the outer arc of a circle starting from E seconde. I point my compass at E seconde and come and cut this arc of a circle at L. I thus get the arc of a circle E seconde L. I can now draw the line LO. I point at E' and come draw the inner arc of a circle OA'. I point to C seconde and draw an arc of a circle from A'. I draw the line AC, which passes through C seconde and C'. I take as the distance of the compass the diameter of the circle. I point to C seconde and draw an arc of a circle in the northeast quarter of the figure. I locate the point IC' C seconde, middle of the segment C' C seconde. I point at IC' C seconde and draw an arc of a circle that comes to cut the straight line AC in A seconde. I point at A seconde and come and cut the arc of circle in D. I now draw the line E' seconde. I point to E' and draw an arc of a circle in the southwest quarter of the figure. I find the point IE' E seconde, middle of the segment E' E seconde. I point to IE' E seconde and cut the line E' E seconde in F'. I point to F' and come to cut the arc of a circle in D'. I draw the line D' and locate the point H at the intersection of the lines D' and E'F', as well as the point G at the intersection of the straight lines AC and D'. I can now draw the segment GH, which is one side of the square we are looking for. I take as a compass gauge the length of the segment GH. I point to H and come and cut the line F'E' in E. I can now draw the second side HE of the square. I point at G and cut the straight line AC at J. And I can close the square by drawing the sides EG and JG. So I finally have a circle with center O and radius OK, and its square GHEG, which makes the quadrature of it. This demonstration allows me to conclude that the problem of squaring the circle 2,500 years after it was stated has finally been resolved. Please share the link. I thank you very much.